Hello, welcome to a video about keeping the toilet cassette clean. Well, there are many other videos out there on YouTube about cleaning the toilet cassette, but the method I'm going to show you today is the way I've been doing it for the past 5 to 6 years. Well, I always use the Thetford cassette tank cleaner, and I do it this way on every trip out. So let's go and make a start. I'll take the cassette to the workbench. Right, Thetford recommend using 300 millilitres of cleaner per 5 litres of lukewarm water and leaving it in the cassette for 16 hours and periodically giving it a shake and then empty it out. But they also give a tip, and that's to travel to site with the solution in the cassette, and it gives a better cleaning performance. Well, I follow that tip and I do it on every trip out. The only thing is, they say use 300 millilitres per clean. You only get 3 cleans per bottle because it's a litre bottle, leaves 100 ml in the bottom. I know you can then carry on with your next bottle, but I use 250 millilitres per clean, meaning I get 4 cleans out of a bottle. That means you have to reduce the amount of water per clean, and it works out at 4.2 litres of water per 250 millilitres of cleaner. Well, this is how you prorata the amount of water. 5 litres of water divided by 0.3 litres of cleaner equals 16.6 recurring. 16.6 times 0.25 litres of cleaner equals 4.16 recurring. So we'll say I need 4.2 litres of water. Right, I've got 250 millilitres left in this bottle. Pour all that in here. I'm going to fill it up with water so it cleans the bottle out. I know it's a litre, so so I know that's a litre of water that I'm putting in the cassette. So I've filled it up with water. There's a litre in there. Bottle's clean, so recycle that. So there's a litre of water in there. All I need now is 3.2 litres of water. That's a total of 4 litres now, and here's the 200 ml. That's 4.2 litres of water in there. Close the blade and give it a gentle shake so it doesn't dislodge the float or the magnet. What I've got to remember is there's approximately 4.5 litres of solution in here, meaning it's 4.5 kilos in weight. So I've got to deduct that off the payload. Whether you'll be able to see the solution in there. Once we get on site, I empty the cleaning solution into the chemical toilet waste disposal point and then prepare the cassette for use. What I use is the Thetford Aquachem Blue concentrated. This is the lavender one. Or depending on what site you're on, the environmentally friendly Aquachem Green concentrate. So 60 millilitres of this into the cassette, but it depends on the ambient temperature. If it's 15 degrees or below, use 50 millilitres. If it's 30 degree or above, 70 millilitres. Obviously, the higher the temperature, the more likely you're going to get odours out of the cassette contents, so you have to increase the dosage. Once that's in the cassette, add water in there so that it covers that square in the bottom. You can just about see it there. It takes 2.5 litres of water to cover the square, but anything from 2.5 to 3 litres of water is good enough. give it a shake, and then I put it into the compartment and it's ready for use. There's the solution. That's it, we're ready to roll, and I'll see you on site. Now we're on site, I'm going to empty the cleaning solution at the disposal point. Make sure that don't drop in the hole. I've added water to the cassette so it covers that square in the bottom there. If you can see that at all. There, that's it. Yeah. That's about 60 millilitres. Give it a shake. That's the cassette all ready. And the Thetford Aqua Rinse Plus. 50 millilitres of that in. It's about 50 millilitres. Doesn't need to be exact. And then we use the adapter that comes with the water hookup kit, and you can use it as a hose. Oops. That's the hose flushed out and the toilet's ready for use. And that's how I keep my toilet cassette clean, by following the Thetford tip, and I'll see you on the next video.